big picture, and that is a sell signal 5 weeks ago below the 425.88 formation. That is our ceiling of resistance. We will not see this week, yet below which 356.54 has been kind of our near-term target, 331.25, our 2 to 3 month objective, actually, since we settled below 425.88 about 5 weeks ago. We could see 331.25 here by the end of next week if we close this week below 356.54. There is a channel bottom today at 369.94. If we open below it, can contain today's highs and 356.54 in reach, where we can place a weekly low. This is, after all, a 50% downside retracement. It also correlates well with the whole high area here that you can see back the spring of last year. And so it may well contain weekly selling pressures. But if we do close below it today, and it is possible, then we could, by the end of this week, reach 331.25. If we do close today below 356.54, anticipating then 331.25 by Friday's close, this completes the trade. We can bottom out here, not only through April, but through the rest of the year, perhaps. We can round up from here back into the mid 420s within 2 to 3 months and all the way into the 530s, perhaps by the end of the year. That is what's possible. But if we do happen to close below that 331.25 level, we do have a long-term target. I'm going to call this the next 3 to 5 month. We are expecting the 220s, 223.19, which is a horizontal channel bottom. And that is the big picture. Let's take a look at the upside. Closing today above 369.94. We'll keep 390.12 in reach over the next 3 to 5 days. I don't see 390.12 here today. We could, though, push up to 379.89 today if we push or open above 69.94. But closing above 369.94, I think, allows 390.12 within the week. That can contain daily buying pressures, and we might actually top out here for the week itself, because below which we are in a secondary sell signal, expecting 356.54. I think we called this like a 1 to 2 week target, and we may actually see this today. So once again, closing below 356.54 today does indicate 331.25 within the week, which completes the big picture sell signal, the short trade that we anticipated about 5 weeks ago below 425.88. Holding above 356.54 actually allows a rebound back into the 390s. I don't expect to see this today, but I do think it's in reach this week if we close above 369.94. Click like, share, subscribe.
Want more wins in your portfolio? Get Daily SPY and Triple Q analysis that gives you a clear plan for the market's next move, plus 2 high-probability stock picks each week. Start trading with a plan at wickedstocks.com.